In this video, you don't need to pay attention to what's happening on the screen. Just listen to my voice and focus on understanding what I'm about to tell you. Because today, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful faceless YouTube channel ideas, niches so profitable that if you start even one of them the right way, you could make more money than you've ever imagined. And the best part is, every single one of these channels has strong monetization potential. That means they are not just ideas, they are systems that can actually generate consistent income. So don't get distracted by visuals. Don't overthink anything. Just relax and listen carefully, because this might be the information that changes your financial future. Let's start with the first and one of the most powerful niches: personal finance and money growth. This is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, especially when you target an audience in the United States. Companies like banks, investment platforms, and financial services are willing to pay a premium to advertise in this space. That's why the CPM in this niche is extremely high compared to others. The content is also very simple to create. You don't need to show your face. You can use stock footage, simple animations, graphs, and a strong voiceover. You can talk about topics like saving money, investing, passive income, and financial habits. Titles like Best Places to Park Your Money in 2026 or How to Turn $1,000 into $10,000 perform very well. The key here is to simplify complex ideas and make them easy to understand. In terms of earning, you make money through ads, but the real income comes from affiliate marketing promoting financial tools, apps, and services. The second niche is AI tools and automation. This is currently one of the fastest growing spaces on the internet. People are constantly searching for ways to use AI to make money, save time, and improve productivity. This creates a huge opportunity. You can create videos explaining different AI tools, showing how they work, and how people can use them to generate income. The best part is that many AI tools offer affiliate programs, which means you can earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. This can turn into a recurring income stream. The content is also easy to produce. You can record your screen, add a voiceover, and keep editing minimal. Titles like 10 AI tools that can make you money while you sleep or best AI side hustles in 2026 attract a lot of attention. The third niche is stock market and investing. This niche attracts a serious audience, people who are willing to spend money and take action. That's why advertisers pay more here. You can create content explaining basic investing concepts, stock analysis, long-term strategies, and comparisons like ETF versus stocks. The goal is not to give complicated advice but to simplify information so beginners can understand it. Even if your videos are simple, as long as they provide value, they will perform well. Over time, you can also build trust with your audience, which opens the door to sponsorships and partnerships. The fourth niche is side hustles and online income. This niche has massive demand because people are always looking for ways to earn extra money. You can create list-style videos, tutorials, and case studies. For example, 7 side hustles that pay $1,000 per month or make money online in 2026. The content is highly engaging and easy to produce. You can use stock clips and voiceover to explain different methods. Monetization comes from ads, affiliate links, and even promoting platforms like freelancing websites or tools. As your channel grows, you can also create your own course or digital product. The fifth niche is the psychology of money and success. This is where storytelling becomes powerful. Instead of just giving information, you explain why people behave the way they do with money. Topics like why 99% of people stay broke or the wealth trap that keeps you poor create curiosity and emotional connection. These videos often get high watch time because people relate to them. You can use cinematic stock footage and a strong narrative voice. This niche also overlaps with self-improvement, which increases its earning potential. The sixth niche is real estate education. Real estate is one of the highest paying industries, and that reflects in YouTube earnings as well. You can create videos explaining how property investment works, how to generate rental income, and how to get started. Even simple explanations can perform Well, because many people find real estate confusing. You don't need to show properties yourself. You can use stock footage, diagrams, and animations. The earning potential here is high because of ads and affiliate opportunities related to financial services. The seventh niche is financial mistakes and lessons. This niche works because people are naturally curious about mistakes, especially expensive ones. Videos like 10 money mistakes, keeping you poor, or I lost $20,000, here's what I learned, grab attention instantly. These videos are easy to create and don't require complex visuals. You can focus on storytelling and lessons. This keeps viewers engaged and increases watch time, which directly improves your revenue. The eighth niche is future trends and predictions. People love knowing what's coming next. You can create videos about future industries, upcoming technologies, and investment opportunities. Titles like "These industries will make millionaires by 2030" or "The future of money" perform very well. This niche combines curiosity with value, making it highly shareable. You can use a mix of stock footage and a documentary-style voiceover. The ninth niche is credit cards and financial systems in the United States. This is one of the highest CPM niches because companies are willing to pay a lot to acquire customers. You can explain how credit scores work, how to choose the best credit cards, and common mistakes to avoid. Even with fewer views, you can earn a significant income because of high advertiser competition. Affiliate commissions in this niche can also be very high. The 10th and final niche is smart spending and minimalism. This niche focuses on saving money, reducing unnecessary expenses, and living efficiently. It attracts a loyal audience because it provides practical advice that people can apply immediately. Videos like "Stop Wasting Money Like This" or "How to Save $10,000 Fast" perform well, while the RPM is slightly lower than finance or AI. It still offers strong earning potential. Now, understanding these niches is important, but what matters even more is execution. You need a clear system. Start by choosing one niche and focusing on it. Don't try to do everything at once. Research what people are searching for. Create titles that are simple and curiosity-driven, and design thumbnails that grab attention instantly. Consistency is key. Upload regularly, learn from your analytics, and improve with every video. When it comes to earning, don't rely only on ads. The real money comes from combining multiple income streams. Use affiliate marketing, promote useful tools, and eventually create your own products. This is how you turn a YouTube channel into a long-term business. It's also important to understand that results don't come instantly. In the beginning, you might not get many views. That's normal. Most successful channels take time to grow. But if you stay consistent and keep improving, the growth can become exponential. The opportunity in Faceless YouTube channels is still massive in 2026. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need a large team. All you need is a clear plan, consistent effort, and the willingness to learn. So as you finish listening to this, ask yourself one question: are you going to take action? Or are you going to let this opportunity pass? Because the difference between people who succeed and those who don't is simple. One group listens and moves forward. The other listens and does nothing. If you choose to take action, even starting with one of these ideas, you could build something that generates income for years to come. Not overnight, but over time. And that's how real wealth is built. So start now, stay consistent, and remember the goal is not just to make money, but to create freedom.